In this video, we're going to be looking at the probability on the right slope. The right slope is very similar to the left slope, but the formula is just slightly different. The formula looks like this instead. Let's look at this example. A company knows that the cost of a project will be between $30,000 and $60,000, with the most likely cost being $40,000. What is the probability the project costs more than $50,000? Let's start by putting the numbers that we know on our diagram. Instead of putting in the whole numbers, we can just take off the 3 zeros at the end. Let's put these numbers on our diagram. The minimum number is 30,000, so 30. The maximum number is 60,000, so 60. And our most likely is 40,000, so 40. We want to find the probability that it's more than 50. Now what we want to do is pop those numbers into our formula. If we pop this into our calculator, we find out that the height is 1/30. Now, just like the last ones, this is the height and not the probability. So we need to put this into the area of a triangle, which is half base times height. We know that our base is 10. 10 times 1/30. So this gives a final answer of 1/6. Now, what if they asked us if it was less than 50 rather than more than 50? Again, we know that all probabilities add up to 1. So if the probability that it was more than was 1/6, then the probability it was less than has to be 5/6.